In this tutorial, I will show you how to see folder slash file size in Google Drive. By the end, you'll be able to open Google Drive, open the details panel for an item, and clearly read the size of a file or folder. First, open Google Drive. In your browser's address bar, type drive.google.com and press enter. When Drive loads, you'll see your files and folders. Make sure you're on the main My Drive or a specific folder where the item you want to check is visible on screen. Next, right-click the file you want to check. Move your mouse over the file's name or thumbnail, then right-click to open the context menu. If you need the size of a folder, right-click that folder the same way. You should now see a list of options for that item. Now click View Details. In the context menu, find and select the View Details. If this opens a details panel on the right side of the screen, give it a moment to load. You'll see information about the selected item, including its name, type, owner, and other properties. From here, check size. In the details panel, look for the size field. For files, the size will be shown in units like kilobytes, megabytes, or gigabytes. For folders, the size will appear in the same place when available. If you have multiple items selected, make sure only the single file or folder you want is highlighted so the size is accurate for that one item. Once that's done, you've seen the size of your chosen file or folder. If you need to check another item, click anywhere in the main list to deselect, then right-click the next file or folder, click View Details, and read the size in the panel again. And that you can leave the details panel open while you click different items. The panel will update automatically as you select each new file or folder, which makes checking several items faster without repeating the menu clicks. At this point, you can close the details panel by clicking the X at the top of the panel if you're finished, or keep it open as you continue working. Your files remain unchanged. You're only viewing information, so it's safe to click around without affecting your data. That's it. You've opened Google Drive, right-clicked the file, clicked View Details, and checked size. Your task is complete, and you now know exactly where to find file or folder size in Google Drive. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.